Hello, today we will learn mathematics of standard 4th, chapter number 1. Name of the chapter is Building with the Bricks. First question in our mind is that what is bricks? So bricks means one type of cuboid. Here I have draw one shape of cuboid. You can see that in our daily life we see this type of cuboid are uses to build houses, and here I have drawn it top views. From top, bricks look like this. It has 6 sides same as dice, but length, this is known as length. Breadth, this side is known as breadth, and this side is known as height. Both are not same, but if we talk about the dice, you know very well about dice, then the dice has length, breadth and height in same ratio. But in cuboid we have length, this side is known as length, this side is known as breadth, and this side is known as height. Height has different ratio. So this is top view of bricks, and this is front view. From front, bricks look like this. So before starting new idea, let's make some activities with these bricks. So I have written here first activity: collect 5 different bricks and arrange them in any way. For example, if you have 5 bricks, then you can arrange them like this. At the bottom you can arrange first, second and third bricks, and the rest of the 2 bricks are on the top of these 3 bricks. This is one type of arrangement of bricks. This type of arrangement is known as pyramid. Let's see another type of arrangement. So here we have different type of arrangement of bricks which we have seen earlier. Here I have arranged 5 bricks. See the pattern. So when we arrange a bricks in different way, then they form a different pattern. You can notice here that both arrangements are different. You can arrange these 5 bricks in any ways. So here we notice that when we arrange one or more bricks, then they have some fixed patterns, and we are going to start learn about this pattern next. Before learning new pattern, we will first revise the shapes which we have studied in earlier standard. So first I have drawn one shape here. This shape is a closed figure. You know very well what is closed figure. The starting and ending point of any figure is same, or start and end with the same point, then that type of figure is known as closed figure. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and starts and end with the same point. For example, we can calculate these sides. This is side number 1, this is side number 2, and this is side number 3. The triangle has 3 sides, that's why it is known as triangle, and that's why we can write tri means 3. So triangle has 3 sides. and it starts and ends with the same point. Next, square. So this shape is known as square. It has 4 sides as well as 4 angles. We can calculate these 4 sides. First, second, third and fourth. In same way, we have a new shape, a pentagon here. Penta means 5, so you can easily understand that this figure has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next shape is hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hexagon has 6 sides. Let's move to the next page. Here is a shape of octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8. Octagon has 8 sides. Now here is a new shape. This shape is known as circle. You have to make one thing notice here, that circle has no sides. Now this shape is not a circle. It looks similar like circle, but its length is more than circle. You can easily understand by showing figure. This is oval shape, and best example of oval shape is eggs. Now here is a rectangle shape. It has 4 sides, same as square, but in square we have opposite, all sides are same. In square we have all sides are same. For example, if I draw a square, then you can say that all the sides of square are same. These sides, this side, this side or this. If you measure any 4 sides, the length of their 4 sides are same. But if you measure the sides of rectangle, then the opposite sides are same. For example, sides, length of AB and length of CD are same, as well as length of AD and length of BC are same. So in rectangle we have length of opposite sides are same. So these all are the shapes. It will very helpful to you to understand this chapter. So let's start our new chapter with our textbook. Chapter number 1, building with the bricks. See, in textbook we have here different pattern of bricks as a border of page. So let's read. This is a true story of Jagriti School in Murshidabad, which is located to West Bengal. West Bengal. And when its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns. Now I will show you the picture of a tomb. Here there is a picture of a tomb. Now reading the lessons. Number 1, when the building was being made, there was a plan to make bricks pattern on the floor and walls. So in floor and walls the building have bricks patterns, different bricks patterns. Whenever we move forward in this chapter, they have pictures of different type of brick patterns, different type of patterns and brick pictures. We will see after this paragraph. Jamal, Kalu and Pierre were the masons for the bricks work. They wanted new idea. See, they wanted new idea for the school building, so they took their other friends to see old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Here is a photo of a tomb, Murshid Quli Khan. What is the speciality in this type of tomb? So here we have some more descriptions. The building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful bricks patterns. See, notice here, earlier we have studied two types of bricks patterns, but in this tomb we have 2000 beautiful bricks patterns on the floor as well as on the wall. These were made by masons long back, about 300 years ago. See, here we have different type of patterns. See, here there are bricks patterns. Here the bricks are arranged in this ways. Here the pattern is square shape. So this is the different pattern of bricks. You can see that. See, this is a different pattern of bricks arranged in different way. See, here there is a cross mark. Here is a bricks makes a pattern which looks like a gate. So there are different pattern, and here we have a question: which floor pattern do you like the most? We have here 5 patterns. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you have to write a number. Which pattern do you like most? For example, I like the pattern number 4. Then I have to write here number 4. So this is the description of first page. Thanks for watching.